all. So today onwards we are starting an Azure Databricks introduction because I think the industry demand Azure Databricks has a huge demand. Definitely we need to take certification and we need to upgrade, so that will be helpful for your career. So maybe someone aware about the salary range of the Azure Databricks engineer. It will be 25 to 35 40 lakhs. So that will be the salary range because that much of demand in the Databricks, Azure Databricks has. And before starting these things, I will give you some kind of introduction, like how this is happening, like an Azure Databricks. First, you already aware about it starts from the Apache Spark. Apache Spark was an open source, so that time we used the Apache Spark for processing big petabytes of data for example, big data processing and all. After that, what will happen? They are using the giants like Yahoo and all. Lot of companies were using the advantages of Apache Spark, so that was an open source. But after that, sometime the Databricks is the company acquire the Apache Spark and they give some modification and flexible to communicate with the cloud and all. So that is called the Databricks. So Databricks is a community or a company. So and Azure is a third party or like a first party community cloud provider. They acquire or they are providing the connection to the Databricks to the Azure. So that means we can get the use of the Apache Spark, Databricks and the Azure also. That is called as Azure Databricks. When we are focusing about the coding part of this Databricks, we need to know the PySpark, or we are focusing on the R and SQL. So that will be discussing on the coming session. I think today onwards I can start some kind of hint and for certifying Databricks certified engineer. I think it will help you a lot of people because people are message me in the LinkedIn also. Can you please take this kind of shot? So that is the reason. So Apache Spark, then Databricks, then Azure. So the entire three things we come into a picture is called Azure Databricks. So we need to discuss more on that one. So tomorrow you will get. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.